Want to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 in less than 2 minutes? Let's do it fast. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 step by step. First, open Google and search for VS Code Download. Now open the official Visual Studio Code website. You can also find the link in the description below. Here, you will see download options for different operating systems. If you are using Mac OS, you can download this version. But since I am using Windows, I will click the Windows Download button. Now the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, click this button to open the folder where the setup file was downloaded. Now double-click on the installer file. When the setup opens, follow the on-screen instructions. Here, make sure these last two options are checked because they make it easier to open files and folders directly with VS Code. Now click Next and continue the installation. Once the installation is complete, launch Visual Studio Code. As you can see, VS Code has been installed successfully on Windows 11. Now you can use VS Code to write, run, and manage code for different programming languages by installing their extensions. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips.